Hi Virgo, hope you're all doing well. Thank you for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. In today's reading, let's take a look at your romantic love life for this week of May 2024. Tingnan natin ang romantic intention ng inyong new person that you're currently dealing with, or a returning person sa buhay mo. Let's see what's happening or what will happen this week. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Thank you Virgo. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect this week. Messages. Love messages. Virgo. Love messages. Conversation. Mend. I want to fix our connection. Guilty. Okay. Conversation. I want to call you and hear your voice, okay? Yung person mo, maybe nasa ibang bansa, okay? Magkalayo kayo ng location. This person misses you, okay? Gusto kanyang kausapin, okay? Gusto niyang marinig ang boses ninyo. Lagi kang nasa isip ng taong to, Virgo. I want to fix our connection, okay? Gusto niyang makipagayos. Siguro meron kayong hindi pagkaintindihan or hindi pagkakaunawaan. Meron merong issue na kailangan ninyong pag-usapan, okay? Para magkabalikan kayo or maging okay kayong dalawa. Okay? Pwedeng merong silent treatment na nangyayari and na-miss ka ng taong ito. Okay? Hindi ka niya matiis. Understanding. I see your side of the story. Okay? Willing na siya makipag-compromise sa inyo, intindihin ang inyong side, ang inyong situation. Willing siya makipag-compromise kasi naiintindihan ka na niya ngayon. Naiintindihan niya kung anong punto mo, ano yung objective mo, kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari, yung nais mo na mangyari, okay? Guilty. I feel pain from the damage I have caused. Siguro grabe yung nangyari, no? Or yung away ninyo, okay? Dahil lang sa misunderstanding. Siguro may malaking gulo na nangyari, okay? Na hindi kayo nagkaintindihan. Very defensive ang taong to, and you are also defensive, Virgo. Okay. But then this person is now willing to understand and accept kung ano yung side mo ng story. Okay? Na-miss ka ng taong to, Virgo. Let's see paano yung messages from the tarot. Okay. He feels na kailangan niyang buuin uli yung trust mo sa kanya. Okay? Ikaw yung tao na gusto niyang magkaroon ng commitment. Gusto niyang makipag-commit na sa inyo, Virgo. Okay? Gusto ka pakasalan ng taong ito. He or she wants to lay a foundation para sa inyong dalawa. Willing siya makipag-compromise, okay? Intindihin kung ano yung side mo. Kung dati, siya lang yung nasusunod, hindi ka pinapakinggan. But now, he's willing or he or she is willing to involve you sa mga plans niya. Okay? Pinapakita niya na ngayon ay stable na siya. May mga plans na siya for both of you or sa family ninyo na pang long term. Okay? Nag-i-establish na siya ng para sa future ninyo. Virgo. Okay? This person, siguro nakasave na and kumikita na ng maayos. That's why he is ready to commit. Baka magpo-propose na to sa inyo, Virgo. Okay? Kung dati hindi pa clear sa kanya, okay, wala pang direction about you. Hindi pa siya sigurado sa inyong dalawa, but now nakikita niya na yung value mo, yung importance mo sa kanya. Okay? Gusto niya na ngayon ng give and take. Gusto niya itama yung mga pagkakamali niya sa inyo, Virgo, or sa inyong or ang mga pagkukulang niya sa relasyon. Okay, gusto niyang punuan yun. This person is very happy, okay, about you. Okay. But you know, you feel that this person is, there's a lot of things going on in his or her mind. Maraming iniisip, confused, sometimes walang tiwala sa sarili. Okay, this is how you see him. You feel that this person is hindi makapag-decide. Okay, Virgo. You feel that this person has a lot of responsibilities. At hindi niya alam kung anong uunahin. Maraming gumugulo sa utak ng taong ito. Marami siyang iniisip. This is how you feel about him or her, Virgo. Okay. You want to hear good news from them or from him, okay? Or from her. Okay. Gusto mong marinig sa kanya na nagbago na siya, that now he or she is stable and kaya niya na i-sustain ang relationship ninyo. Gusto mo mag-step up na ang taong ito, Virgo, okay? And maging seryoso, magkaroon ng future plans na stable, makapag-offer ng security for both of you and sa future family ninyo, okay? You want to explore things or places together, okay? Gusto niyang meron siyang i-offer sa'yo na travel, okay? Magbiyahe, okay? Some good things in life. That's what you want, Virgo. Okay? And that's the challenge. Trust the universe, trust the process, Virgo. Okay? Hindi mo alam, may mga secrets na naplano ang partner ninyo, okay? Yung person ninyo for both of you. Pero he or she chose to keep it for a while, okay? Parang ibabalita niya na lang sa inyo. May mga surprises, kumbaga. Okay. This person wants to make things right. Pang long term na, okay? Na plans para sa family ninyo or para sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Seryoso yung taong ito sa inyo, Virgo. Na-realize niya yung mga pagkakamali niya in the past. Okay? Mga wrong decisions. Now, gusto ka na niya i-involve din sa mga plans niya. But there are surprises or meron siyang mga plans or information na gusto niya sa kanya lang muna and i-reveal na lang to sa inyo later on. Okay? Virgo. Give this person a chance. Yung taong to ay nagbago na. Kung dati confused, parang hindi alam kung ang laging iniisip, magulo yung utak or magulo yung parang walang tiwala sa sarili. But now, this person is full of confidence of himself or of herself. Okay? Let's see. Ano yung mga messages sa inyo? Okay, bottom of the deck is 3 of Wands. Okay? Merong parating na karangyaan sa inyo. Okay? Sa relasyon nyo, sa family nyo. Okay? Looking forward to receive it, Virgo. Okay? May mga magandang nangyayari sa inyo or mangyayari pa lang, Virgo. Trust the universe. Trust the process. Okay? May mga good surprises na mangyayari. When it comes to opportunities, when it comes to money, okay, travels, you know that something good will happen for both of you or for sa family ninyo and you are looking forward to it. Okay? Let's see kung ano pa yung mga hidden messages. Okay? Hidden messages or gustong sabihin sa inyo ng person mo. Hidden messages or Virgo. Messages. Virgo. The timing just wasn't right for us. Okay, so before parang hindi lang talaga nasa tamang tempo yung mga bagay-bagay. Okay, kaya nagkaroon ng disappointments or delay. Gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo yun. We both know I am not the one for you. Okay, okay, for some of you, merong situation na hindi naging successful. Okay. You were the best thing in my life. Okay? So, ikaw yung pinakamagandang nangyari sa buhay niya. I am not available. Okay? For some of you, nasa ganitong situation, you don't know how hard it was to let you go. I couldn't let you get close to me. Okay? So, may mga energies na ganito na hindi maganda yung pagsasama, okay? Or hindi naging successful. But this person, hindi rin naging madali sa kanya to let you go. Mahal ka niya, maybe he or she is dealing with another person. Okay? So, nasa inyo, Virgo, okay? Pero for those who are in a good relationship or happy relationship, okay? Merong good news na parating, seryoso sa inyo yung partner ninyo. May mga plans, long-term plans for you. Okay? So, wag mawala ng pag-asa. Trust the universe. Trust the relationship, Virgo. Okay? So, ito lang yung mga messages for you. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye.